This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about water pitchers, specifically this RW base plastic water pitcher. It's a 47-ounce clear plastic pitcher that's 4.5 inches in diameter and 7 3/4 inches in height. It's also available in a smaller 32-ounce size and a larger 60-ounce size as well. They're clear so that your servers can easily identify water, tea, and other beverages, and also to help show them off to your customers. It's plastic, so there's no need to worry about cleaning up broken glass if it's dropped or broken. It also makes it incredibly durable and also lightweight so that it's easy to carry. It's easy to grip the handle, which also has 3 molded indents so that it's a nice, comfortable grip even when that pitcher is full. It has a lovely, deep contoured lip there on the top for easy pouring and control, also while catching the ice cubes and helping to prevent splashes. It can really stand up to heavy daily use and features this fantastic ribbed classic style design. It's perfect for the service of water, tea, soda, lemonade, beer, or other cold beverages. And it's a fantastic buy for any establishment in need of a reliable, reusable pitcher for their cold beverage service.